Okay, so now we've come to the final part where we are ready to make it one piece content instead of this one, and then this part, which means this video is contains how many parts? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how do you make it one content? That is called export. For this one, you can go here on this page. If you can see, if you can follow my pointer, my cursor, it's all the way to the top right corner, which is export, which is actually the name is shared. So which means pretty much exporting. I'm exporting it. What do? If the video is as a normal file where I can play it anywhere, or if the video is something that I'm planning to watch it in YouTube or in Facebook, which means it will have those social media's format, the size and resolution and everything. Or if it is like a normal normal video files that you can play it in a video or TV or something, you can also do export files. For me, it's in the YouTube and Facebook, usually it's exported in a smaller size, so I can do that here. Okay, and so here I can export it, and as you see, it's very small, and also the size is very small as well. I'm fine with that. And the next, click next. So it's asking me what is the name of the file that you are planning to create. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's do this and save it. It's gonna be saved in a document, and then I can say save it. So as you see here, you will see the progress and how it is doing and how far it is created. Look at that. It's created for Facebook and YouTube format. And if I click here, I think it's gonna show me here. Show. It's gonna be here. And this is the content. This is the file that I created in MoV format. I really hope this was helpful to start your project initial, and definitely you'll be able to create a lot of crazy things here, like adding transitions, like when it's changing from. So you can do a lot with this one, with this iMovie. It's great, like I mentioned. So I hope you will like it, and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you. I'll see you in another video. For now, have a good day. Bye now.